everyone. This is Dhanush sir. This is the second class of mathematics for class 7th. In previous class, we discussed about some properties for integers. Now we have to learn about dividend, divisor and quotient. As the topic division of integers. In division of integers, division, we have to know about divisor, dividend and quotient. What is divisor, what is dividend and what is quotient? Divisor, the number which divides. The number which divides. The number which divides is called divisor. Dividend, the number to be divided. The number to be divided. The number to be divided is called divided. And quotient, the result of division. The result of division is called quotient. This one is divisor and this one is dividend and this quotient. What is divisor? The number which divides is called divisor. Dividend, the number to be divided. The number to be divided is called dividend. Quotient, the result of division is called quotient. Here are some properties of division. Properties of division. If A and B are integer, first property, the properties of division says that the first properties of division says that if A and B are two integers, if A and B are two integers, A and B are two two integers, then it is not necessary. What not necessary? The result of A divide B is also an integer. What? Then it is not necessary that the result of A divide B is also an integer. Second, for every integer A, we have A divide 1. If any integer is divided by 1, then we get the result also A. For any integer A, we have A divided by 1 equals to A. Now the other property is if A is non-zero integer, if A is non-zero integer, that means not zero. Non-zero integer, then is 0. 0 divided by A is equals to 0. And the other property is if A is an integer, if A is an integer, then if A is an integer, A divided by 0 is not defined. This is undefined or infinity. This value is not taken out yet. Now next property is if A, B, C are non-zero integer, then if A, B and C, if A, B, C are non-zero integer, then A divided by B and divided by C, then A divided by B divided by C and A divided by B divided by C, unless C is equals to 0, unless C is equals to, sorry, not 0, C is equals to 1. Now, the next property says that if A is an integer and A is divided by itself, A is divided by itself, then the result is 1. Then A divide A is equals to 1. Okay. The next property says that if A, B and C are integers, then first one is A is greater than B, A is greater than B. Here if A is divided by C, sorry, C4, sorry, if A is greater than B or A is divided by C is greater than A is divided by C4, where C is a positive integer. Next, if A is greater than B, if A is greater than B or A divides C is less than, not is less than B divide C, A divide C is less than B divide C, where C is a negative integer, where C is a negative integer. If C is positive integer, then A divided C becomes greater than B divided C, and if C is negative integer, then A divided C becomes smaller than B divided C. Okay. Now we have to solve some questions. The first question is, as for example, 91 divide what? 91 by 7. 91 by 7. This 91 by 7 can be written in the form of 91 divided by 7, and this 91 divided 7 can be written in the form of 91 upon 7. Mode. Now 7 13. That is 13 is the answer. On the basis of the properties and the rules, you have to solve the next exercise. Next exercise is 1.2. 1.2 homework. That's okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.